If you're bored with the same Android home screen for months, Android offers you the power to customize it. You can use different launches, icon packs, and widgets to completely change the way your Android smartphone looks. In this video, I will showcase 5 super cool home screen setups that you should definitely try. The first setup is called Unwind. It features a minimal and clean design with a beautiful aesthetic sense while still being easy to use and offering impeccable functionality. Unwind is powered by 3 main components: the Snowcone KWGT widget, pastel wallpapers, and Android 12 KWGT widget. The Snow KWGT widget is a custom widget pack that offers a wide range of widgets with several sizes and styles. All the widgets come with a clean minimalistic design and are easily customizable. It's a perfect choice to create a cohesive appearance, which they have managed on the Unwind home screen setup. The other pack it uses is the Android 12 KWGT widget, a custom widget focusing on functionality. It includes a range of clock, battery, weather widgets, etc. The wallpaper featured is soft, calming, and beautiful, complementing the minimal Unwind home screen setup design. The wallpaper is offered in a wide range of pastel colors, so you can easily choose the one that suits your requirement. The second setup is the Google Color home screen setup, which is responsible for generating plenty of buzz with its customized icon pack and unique color schemes. The Dutch icon pack features both geometric shapes and a minimalistic design, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a modern and clean appearance. This setup mainly features 3 KWGT widget packs, with the Finesta KWGT leading the line. It offers a wide range of customizable widgets to create a personalized and unique home screen setup. Lucent KWGT is another choice you will find in this home screen setup. It adds a touch of style as the app offers several widgets, all of which come with sleek and unique design destined to turn heads. Finally, we have the Fuchsia KWGT widget, which focuses mainly on elegance and simplicity. The wallpaper design features different colors along with the dark appearance. One notable aspect of it is that all the colors which you will discover in the wallpaper are ones that represent the Google icons: red, yellow, blue, and green. The third setup is called Glossy Shadow. It's a stylish and sleek home screen setup. This setup combines modern design with a bit of nostalgia, making it the ideal choice for someone looking to add elegance to their device. It comes with the popular Lux icon pack, which provides an attractive, unique, and cohesive set of icons that will elevate your home screen entire appearance. All the icons are designed to fit in with the Glossy Shadow setup's overall aesthetics, appearance, and outlook to ensure everything blends in ideally and look carried together. It also uses Shadow KWGT widgets, which offers a unique, functional, and beautiful set of widgets that will help you keep the home screen up to date and properly organized. A standout feature of this home screen setup is that it offers shadows that add depth and dimensions, making the entire design look sophisticated and fascinating. The fourth setup is called Forest Petal, which focuses on a mellow pastel color look that looks subtle yet inviting to the eye. It's an attempt to offer maximum minimalism in appearance while keeping all the necessary apps and widgets accessible on the home screen. It comes with soft pastel colors and a design that draws its inspiration from nature, making it an excellent option for everyone who prefers a serene and calming look on their home screen. The icons are playful as they combine a mix of flat and gradient style, adding a unique touch to the entire design. Another unique and efficient choice for customizing the home screen is the Zhu icon pack. The icon pack is designed to make your home screen appear modern and stylish and add a minimalistic design with bold icon shape. The icon pack combines various colors, letting the user add plenty of personality to their device. It includes the Feast KWGT widget that features a sleek, modern, and functional design, which not only elevates the home screen's appearance but also makes the usage convenient. Another KWGT widget that it offers is Finesta KWGT, which includes a music player weather widget and other options to make your home screen efficient and functional. The wallpaper design is pretty serene, representing a lovely natural scenario that includes a sunny day with trees and birds flying overhead. The last setup is called Abyss, which stands out with its clean and modern design along with the use of geometric shapes. The Abyss home screen setup is powered by two components, the Luna icon pack and Gem KWGT widget. The Luna icon pack is a custom pack with a wide range of modern and geometric design icons. The icons really complement the modern, clean, and aesthetic appearance of the Abyss home screen setup, and they are available in dark colors to match the overall look of the home screen. The Gem KWGT widget offers a range of widgets with a geometric and modern design. The widgets combine with the Luna icon pack to offer a combined unified appearance and to provide the feeling of the Abyss in the home screen setup. A standout feature of the Abyss home screen setup is the usage of geometric shapes and their incorporation into the icons and widgets inside the Luna pack and Gem KWGT widget. Thus, it makes a visually attractive and modern design that sets the Abyss home screen setup apart from the regular choice. It features a dark wallpaper with the tint of white, creating an outer space scene with an astronaut in the center. So these are some of the best home screen setups that you can try this month. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon so that you never miss any future updates.